it's kind of a little trickish for this work I'm doing now. My system is hanging. I don't know what's really wrong with the system. I don't know. I don't know. Whoa. If you are online, let me see you say hi. Hi. So I'm gonna teach 2 things you need to know. 2 things. Some basic things about furniture works. It's not really that easy. So I'm a furniture guy. So I guess some other works to sort out. So can you see my face? Thank you. Okay. All right. I have 2 to 3 work to sort out, but I don't think I can be able to make. But let me show you some of my work. I'll share my screen with you, then you see more. I'm coming. Okay. 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 These are old work. These are old work.